Okay, so we're going to look at your next assignment. Decide to give you something a little bit different than what everybody else is doing since you're working so quickly through spreadsheets. I'm going to give you a link to this spreadsheet here. And this spreadsheet has a list of URLs that you're going to use to find products. It also has a list or a column here where you can mark when things are completed, and also a column for notes. Like maybe you are able to find a specific description or part number, and you can list that here so that we know where to further research. If I click on one of these URLs, it will take me to a page that looks exactly like this, just with different part descriptions. This is our kind of pseudo site that we're using to gather all of our information that we're looking for. This is a part number that we're kind of looking for. We're trying to match this up with a part number that's on our website here. So how you're going to do that is you're going to go to our website, cascade-usa.com. You get to use the search bar or this advanced search button. So I could go to this site and just take a part of a part number, copy it, go back to my site, paste it in, and search. Okay, so here's the site it brings me to. I'm going to go back and check to make sure my product description is matching my product description on our page, and it is. So I'm going to try and find this next part number, 13213R2, so number 2, Child's Play Energy. And I think it's this one right here, 13R, number 2. And we're going to copy that. And then I'm just going to go back to that same site, and I'm going to paste it in. And that's basically the nuts and bolts of it. A couple things on our site. If you aren't able to find it here in the search using part numbers, partial part numbers, you can try and use it, put in maybe a keyword. So let's try energy foot. And sometimes the search results come back and they're right on, and sometimes they require a little more searching. I know it's a child's foot. Based on the description here, it says child's foot, child's play. So I could go back to Cascade, and I could look through the pediatric section, go to the feet. Here's child's play, something here. I don't know if it's on this page, but I'm going to look. And it's not. So I'm going to go to feet. And here we go. So that's another way that you could try and search it if you're not having luck through here. But try and make every effort you can to find it, because these parts are on our site. We just know that they might have different part numbers. The descriptions might be off just a bit, but we're hoping that it's super close and that won't give you any problems. So I'm going to give you a link to the spreadsheet. Those will have the links to these pages, and then the link to our website where you're going to match up the part numbers. When you're done with one of the URLs, down at the very, very bottom is a place where you can write your name. And you want to write your whole name there and push update, and it should accept the page for you. Granted, this is a pretty primitive site where we're gathering information on, so if you have any questions or problems, just let me know. And good luck. I'm sure that you'll just fly through it. Thank you.